Okay, so this is one of our kitties. This is we play BGG quarterly kitty. That's Bridges Golfing Group. We play our kitties quarterly, and the significance is that it brings together all golfers from golfers from different walks of life. We have members from IBB Golf Club. We have members from TYB Golf Club, GJ Golf Club, Ikoyi Golf Club, a lot of other places. So Ibadan Golf Club, Bekuta Golf Club. So people come together from different places to play in this kitty. Bridges is an international organization that is channeled. We channel all our initiatives towards development of peace and growth. And so this kitty is for us fundamental in ensuring that we promote and advocate for peace and development in our society. Yes, it's a so in golf there are professional golfers and there are amateur golfers. So the likes of us that play golf for leisure are amateur golfers. There are the professional golfing section that plays golf in the commercial sense of it. So those are areas where the federal government, and of course even in the leisure golfing, there's a lot of commercials activities that goes on in it in terms of promotions, visibilities, revenue generation, international tourism, and golf is a major contributor to tourism GDP. It's also a major contributor to health well-being. It's also a major contributor to business exchange across societies across the world. As you can see, we have a lot of organizations here. AXA Mansard is one of our partners, NEL Fund, and Alakunle Real Estate and Partners are one of our partners, and a lot of them. So these are commercial exchange that happens behind the swings of regular golfing activities. So there's need for a lot of investment in this sector because the golfing world is a big one. It's an international sector that brings together a lot of businesses. So there's need for a lot of investment in the promotion of the game, investment in the facilities of the sport, investment in the people, the professionals, and the tournaments, the various tournaments. So we always welcome a lot of investment into this sector. This is a sector that brings about a lot of return on investment in terms of the way businesses are being done across the world, the promotions that we give to the businesses, and the fact that people come here from all walks of life. There are potential. It's a potential for business exchange, and it also gives value for every investment that comes into the sports. So I call on the federal government to, basically, like I said, the objectives of our golfing group is to promote peace and development. So what we want to see and what we advocate for is a society where businesses are able to blossom through ensuring that the society is peaceful, is favorable for investment. There is no growth without peace. There is no growth without security. There's no growth without an enabling environment. So Bridges Golfing Group calls on the federal government to ensure that Nigeria is a safe space for. We go all around the world. We play golf everywhere in the world. So we also want to see people come here to play golf, because it's a major contributor to tourism and international exchange. So peace is fundamental. All of us are business people, professionals from all walks of life. There's no way our businesses can progress, grow, or move forward without a peaceful society. So an enabling environment means a peaceful society and good policies for business to thrive.
AXA Mansard is so delighted to be proud sponsors of the Bridge Golfing Group. Now we are excited with initiative that helps to build a full World Bank for the underprivileged, Nigeria as a whole, the internally displaced people. And each time we notice such program or event with any organization or group, AXA Mansard loves to step in and to be a proud sponsor of it. So this is from me as a financial advisor. My advice to Bridge Golfing is to not relent. to keep doing what they do, as even if they are not being noticed or being recognized, definitely one day their effort is going to be recognized. What they are doing is an excellent job, and they should keep it up without relenting.
So today's event is another groundbreaking event, which is the second Cosa Golf Kitty. We're doing a food bank in Bridges Initiative, and today we are reaching out to more people, courtesy of our distinguished partners for the quarter. Well, it promotes unity and networking by bringing together people from different walks of life to come and attend this kitty. We have people coming from even outskirts of town to come and attend this kitty. People from the middle class, the upper class, the lower class. Everybody is going to be reached out to. And I mean, golfing has been around for so long, and I feel like what Bridges is doing, we are promoting more of inclusion in golfing, and we're also promoting peace among people in different communities. We're reaching out to not less than 100 people in our food bank initiative.
Fantastic. I'm super elated. You know, golf is a very difficult game and it tests your resolve. I'm really just happy to come out today as the ladies' best met. That's the first prize for the ladies, representing every lady in the world, in Africa, in Nigeria, and in the FCT Abuja. This is for you. Thank you. The British Golfers Group is a place, is a community where we come together and we're bridging across lines of friendships, lines of commerce, business, community, where we come together and share ideas. And at the same time, golf is at the center of what we do. So it's an important place where golfers are able to come together, men alike, ladies alike, and we're able to brainstorm and we're able to find a way where we can explore our leisure to the highest levels. And at the same time, we do a lot of serious work, a lot of networking, and it's just a fantastic place to be at. So I recommend the Bridges Golfers Group for every Nigerian. Come along. Thank you.
No, in fact, I'm very happy. I'm delighted. I didn't come to win. Just came to play. But I did my best, and my best happens to be the winner. I'm very happy about that. In fact, the first time I met one of the promoters was in General Buhari, TYB at the barracks, and he invited us to come for this bridge tournament, and we came. In fact, I've played here before, briefly, but I have not been a constant player here. But I enjoyed the game, and I'm happy I won.